Yo, 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 what it is? Mr. Church back at it again. Today was a little bit impromptu. I decided to come out to Walmart and see if we can make some money on the night shift. Now, yesterday I tried to come out here and struck out, wasted about an hour and a half of my time, which was a bummer, didn't even get one. On the way out here, I did get one that I swooped up because it felt like seeing an endangered species out in the wild. I took a 10.3 mile shopping order for $17.28. Now I know that's not the best, but it's like 2 liters of pop and like a coffee maker. So mainly just took that one to please the algorithm, let them know that I'm here, send me some decent orders. So kind of like paying my dues and ripping the band-aid off. But before I get in here, I want to go ahead and say thank you to everyone who's been watching, commenting, the ones who have subscribed. You guys are awesome. But I'm not going to waste too much time. It's time to go get this. Let's see if we can make some money today.
Seven 2 liters. Still not a bad pickup, only 7 2 liters. Whatever. Let's go check out.
All right, not a bad shop at all. Pretty freaking easy. 7 2 liters though. What an odd number of 2 liters. Whatever. So I got a 15-minute drive. So, well, 14 minutes, but that's fine. Whatever. I just really wanted this order to jumpstart it, get them coming my way so I can actually get some sparks today, because let's be honest here, sparks the money maker. As you can see, it's very rainy and chilly here in Northeast Ohio still, and hopefully that's going to make people place some spark orders that I can shop and deliver for some money, of course. Oh my god, morons. Let's see how long I can last. That's going to be the real trial, because the way people are driving right now is driving me absolutely mad. But let's go get this truck. Hello?
Thank you so very much.
Hey, not a problem.
Sorry, couldn't tip my guy.
Oh, you're fine, dude. You're very fine. I just gotta take a picture of these bags real fast.
Yeah, no problem.
And you are good to go. Have a good one, man. Be safe. Have a great rest of your evening. Thank you. Came out here apologizing about a tip. Hey, you put a decent tip on there. You put a couple bucks. That's cool. Hey, you put a tip. That's all that matters. Headed back to the Wheezy Meezy just to see what else we get, because I'm $17 richer now. $17? What can I blow that on? I can think of a bunch of crap. Serenity now! I'm telling you, these people out here driving, getting on my nerves today. Ugh, killing me. But any hoozle, I scored a $23.14 Walmart spark order on the way in. It's like 7.5 miles. I don't really want to go to where it's going. However, 23 bucks, it's 9 items. So hopefully I can get it done in about 45 minutes or so, and then it'll put me at 40 bucks on the day. So that's what's up. So I'm getting ready to pull into Walmart right now and get this stuff shopped for. I'm in a hurry because these people out here are killing me today. This guy, oh my God. These people out here. Throw a cup of water on the ground and they don't even know how to freaking drive anymore. What the? Oh, man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have an aneurysm doing this stuff. Anyway, 23 bucks, let's get it.
A lot of cottage cheese. It's wild.
All right, so just got that order. Easy, straightforward. Took me like 9 or 10 minutes to actually shop the order, but I had to go back and get one of the things I forgot because the quantity was dumb.
This video brought to you in part by the number 5.
It was really weird. She got like 5 cottage cheeses, 5 cans of peas, 5 cans of green beans, 5 cans of peaches, 5 cans of pineapples, 5 bags of cauliflower, 5 bags of broccoli, and 1 gallon of milk. Somehow, where along the line I counted 4 instead of 5 on the cans, so I had to run back and grab one. And I just read she wants me to bring it to her door, so I'm assuming this is like in a some sort of apartment complex. Hope it's not that big of a pain, because I want to get this done ASAP, because this is gonna put me at 40 bucks, and I'd like to get back here really quick. But anyway, gonna go get this dropped off to old Doris, because she's not 100, but it doesn't matter. She threw a little like $6 tip on there, so whatever. I like 100-year-old people with money too. Got me feeling like I'm driving into a horror movie. I've been here before. I've been here before. Definitely not my favorite place that I've ever delivered. Still Christmas here.
George mentioned order 101, come to 109, please.
Okay. Yeah, I remember this building. Stinks. Am I doing the wrong? Oh, I'm in the wrong. Oh. You big dummy. 109?
Yeah.
That's right. Hey, not a problem. Hey, thank you guys so much. You guys have a great rest of your evening.
Have a good evening.
Hey, you too. Thank you guys so much. Oh, that's how they saw me. They're probably mad that I didn't go in there, but it is what it is. Not supposed to go in. Or whatever, it wasn't even that much. They can handle it. They can handle it. So I need to handle getting back to Walmart, hopefully getting some more of these. If not, it's gonna be a early night. I'll find a gas station. Yeah. Now I don't usually do caffeine after like 5, like 4:30 really. That's kind of like the cutoff for me. But since I'm out here doing these sparks, I figure I might as well try to stay on my A game. And I just picked up another $11 one for like 1.5 miles. I think it said like 5 items. Look, it's not a high payout, but it's short mileage. So that means it's gonna be a short trip overall, which will keep the door open for me to get back there and try to get some more money. That's gonna put me at like 51, 52, maybe a little bit more on the day with only 3 orders so far. Not bad with like 2.5 hours, 3 hours worth of work. So let's get paid. Easy peasy little order. Those are the kind of orders I really like. Easy freaking peasy. I was in and out in about 8 minutes. Thing of fudge sickles, coffee filters, and 2 12-packs of pop. But now my app is stuck. Come on. So we're going on the 3rd floor for this one. Whatever, it's only a 5-minute drive. So that's cool. Be about 30 minutes total for this order. For 11 bucks. Not the best. Not the worst. But I've been getting orders consistently. For that, I'm happy. Happy, happy, happy. Let's go get this. All right, so anything like this, I gotta actually park my car and get out and get into a place and get buzzed in. Not a big fan of. If this weren't so close, it would not be worth it. But let's get it over with. 3rd floor. Am I supposed to go up the stairs? I didn't see an elevator. Oh, hot here. I guess I'm taking the stairs. That's done. Not even gonna lie. I wanted to be all quiet and get out of there because I didn't want her to open the door and ask me to take things in there for her because that's awkward. And we're not supposed to. Nor do I want to. Sure, I'm one for being nice and helping the elderly. For sure, totally understand. But a lot of times, unfortunately, it's those elderly. You get us gig workers in some sort of jam. And I just want to avoid it altogether. Anyway, that put us at a little over 50 bucks. So I'm gonna head back to Walmart, see if I can get 1 or 2 more, because I really do think it's starting to die down at this point. You know where we be. I don't know what the heck this is, but I got another $12 order going 2 miles. Says it's got like 13 items. It's super easy stuff to grab, so it looks like anyway. Do I really want to take this order? No. I wanted something that paid a little bit better, but it's only 2 miles. So if I can get this shop done in, 10-15 minutes, then I'm only looking at 20-25 minutes for $12.59. They didn't tip, so that kind of sucks, but needed the last one. But it is what it is. At least they live close. Let's go get this 12 bucks.
This should be fairly easy. Fingers crossed anyway.
Couldn't really get your footage that time. It was weird in there, not a big deal. Anyway, knocked that shop out in around 10 minutes or so. Got a 6-minute drive to old Sarah. Get this 12 bucks and be on our way. I feel like it's coming to a close here pretty soon, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Anyway, still got a few more bucks to get. Let's get it. This fog is crazy. Come on, brights on. Brights. No brights. Brights. No brights. Brights. barely see it, man. That's wild. We are pulling up on this joint though. Another 12 bucks richer. I don't remember if that said to ring the bell or not, but the doorbell, but I actually could care less because she didn't even tip. Whatever. At least Walmart paid me. Almost paying me. Hit it right back. Right back. All right, so I made it back to Walmart. In about 3.5 hours, I've made roughly slightly under 65 bucks. Not too bad. I ain't mad about that. At least I, made some money tonight. But better than last night when I came out here and it was crickets, for an hour and a half. So definitely more successful than last night. Not really sure how entertaining this video is gonna be, but hey, practice, practice, practice. I'm not gonna waste too much time here. I'm waiting for orders. I'm gonna go in because I gotta get a couple things for the house. And after that, I'm gonna give it maybe 10, 15 minutes. If I don't get anything, I'm heading home. But that's it. Guess we'll find out.
So while I was walking around, I ended up getting a $25 order, 14 items or so, going like, I don't want to say like 2 or 3 miles. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the night out with that, since I'm grabbing some stuff for myself anyway. And then I guess I'll figure out what my totals are then. I'm gonna finish up and deliver up. I'll get a head start on it. Yeah, buddy.
So getting that stuff was not a pain at all. It went right along with the stuff that I was grabbing for my personal order. So that's pretty cool. But it was 25 bucks for that. Grabbed it in about, I don't know, about 15 minutes or so. So I'm actually headed to go drop this off right now. And it's all of a 7-minute drive. So that's pretty awesome. So drop this off and head on home. I'm not gonna do any food deliveries because if you're somebody who watched my videos on the channel before, you would know that around 8 o'clock-ish is when it turns to crap in my market. And by the time I drop this off and start heading my way, it's gonna be about coming up on that time. So for that reason, I'm gonna call food delivery moot for the evening, which is fine with me. Because I think I'm gonna be somewhere around 85, 87 bucks. So that's pretty okay for me. I'm okay with that. It wasn't a full day, so that's what's up. So anyway, I'm gonna quit yakking, go drop this off, and yeah. Hey, how's it going, man? Want me to hand you any of this?
If you don't mind, yeah. Thank you. Bend over.
There you are, sir. There you are.
Thank you. Have a good night.
No problem. Be careful with that
You know
one.
what? I'm gonna leave these right here for my sister.
Oh, hey, right on here. I'll put it right here for you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, man. You have a good rest of your evening.
Have a good week. Thank
Hey,
you.
you too, man. Thank you. Well, it's around 8 o'clock or so. I got about 4.5 hours in and made a total of about 90 bucks. I have almost 70 in confirmed and then about 20 in unconfirmed tips, but I'm sure all those are gonna go through, which is great. Like I said, about 4.5 hours. That's on par for about 20 bucks an hour. So I'm happy with that. Not a waste of time today. I was able to knock out, a little bit of shopping on my own. That's a good thing. But this is probably gonna do it for tonight. But for you guys who've been watching, I really, again, can't explain enough how appreciative I am that you guys have been watching, commenting, liking, especially like I said, the ones who have subscribed. I love to get that number up a little bit. But it does make me pretty happy that some people are actually watching. If you made it this far into the video, I really do appreciate it. But with all that being said, it was a decent night for Spark, probably because of this crappy weather. I'm not too mad about it, but I hope it was at least mildly entertaining, or someone's picked up something, or whatever. Just waste some time with me. I'm all about that too. But again, thanks everybody, and I'm out.